Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiners of the Internship Report Seminar, thank you for taking the time to watch my current video presentation. Allow me, Rabia Aladawia, a business education student, to present the result of my internship experience entitled Internship Reports Certified Independent Studies 21st Century Educator Pathway at my EduSoft, PT Dwi Inti Putra. The demand of competent human resources is increasing, and competition in the workplace is becoming tighter as many companies request specific criteria. Then, because the acceleration of technology, which is the foundation of life, cannot be avoided and is not limited by space or time. Human face a challenge in determining the direction of organizational or company goals. As a result, we require humans who can find a balance between the flow of time and the rapid advancements of technology by maximizing all ability, both hard skill and soft skill. The challenge in this progress has been answered by the university with internship program and Indonesia government to the Campus Merdeka program, namely independent study. Certified Independent Study is a self-development program to students that allow them to participate in activities outside of the classroom, while still receiving credits from the lectures with experts in the field. The chosen independent study is my EduSoft program. My EduSoft is a company that works in education and technology. Founded in 2019 with the goals of increasing Indonesia workforce digital literacy. My EduSoft collaborates with the expert certification body Certipod to become the official distributor of 4 international certification, such as Microsoft, Project Management Institute, Adobe Certified Professional, Information Technology Specialist, and other in Indonesia. Certification, seminars, and course for career development are among the product available. I pursued an independent study through the 21st Century Educator Pathway in order to provide prospective educator with 21st century competencies and the ability to collaborate on learning activities using digital media. With a Monday until Friday schedule of 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. online with Zoom meeting. This independent study activity lasted 5 months, from February to July 2022. I received 3 programs that could help me advance my career, particularly as a teacher, especially a pathway class, career mentoring, and a capstone project. Microsoft PowerPoint is the first pathway class. This class is designed to demonstrate proficiency in creating, editing, and improving presentation and slides. The 5 main topics are as follows. Using Microsoft PowerPoint, I can improve my ability to make learning media more interactive now. One of them is that I used Microsoft PowerPoint to record this video. The next class is Project Management Ready. This course aims to help individuals and groups become more professionally involved in advocacy, collaboration, education, and research. Here are the 4 main material from Project Management Ready. The advantage of implementing project management readiness in the world of education is the design of maximum learning through the use of plans and timely, cost, time, and scope. Then there's the Microsoft Certified Educator course. This course aims to measure competence in a valid and reliable manner for professionals, particularly educators, in order to design 21st century learning. Here are the 5 main material. Educators today require learning in the Microsoft Certified Educator because it contains material that match the need of the world of education and are integrated with technology. I received an international certificate from the 3 pathway classes mentioned above, which I can use to add value to myself and advance my career in the future. The next program is Career Mentoring, which is divided into the 3 programs: 21st Century Skills, Career Readiness, and One-on-One Mentoring. Career Mentoring has significantly assisted me in directing my future career because it contains material on the recruitment process, skill required at this time, and direct discussion with a career consultant. The last program is Capstone Project. The Capstone Project is a final project in which students collaborate with companies to solve real-world problems using previous lessons learned and to implement 21st century capabilities. I received a capstone project with BBIT, with a research and idea presentations project that was guided for 3 weeks with Kak Agung. Of course, I encountered obstacles during this internship and did my best to overcome them. First, the availability of internet quota facilities allow for the reduction of network constraints during the execution of activities. Second, certain application specifications are required, which are met the university supports of Microsoft 365 services. Third, changes the implementation schedule are overcome by attempting to plan for any schedule change. Fourth, there is no administration requirement in the independent study format, which is resolved by consulting with the study program regarding grade conversion. And the fifth, the capstone project lack of time and data was overcome through teamwork in order to complete the final project optimally in terms of task division and time. That concludes my internship report presentations. Thank you to the examiners who took the time to watch this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.